Welcome! In front of me I have AMAZFIT Bip 6 and I'm gonna show you how to install applications on this watch. Before we start, if you want to install applications on your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Zepp application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue. Okay, so to install the applications, we need to open the Zepp application on the phone that is paired with our watch. In the app, we need to tap on device icon, and here you should see your Bip 6 on the device page. Now, under the watch, you will see watch faces and App Store. Tap on the App Store. It will open the App Store, of course, and here you have applications you can install. So look for something you like. For example, I'm gonna open the utilities category and look for app. I don't know, maybe, let's say the calculator. I'm gonna tap on the app we like. Here we have a preview. And now, to install the application, you can tap on install. It will start downloading, and then once it's done, it should be installed. Okay, so apparently it's done. And now if you go to main page of App Store and tap on mine, the application should be here. And if you go to your watch, open the menu, scroll through it, you should find the calculator probably at the bottom. And you can tap on it to open the app. Okay, and that's how you install applications on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.